this Whirlpool dishwasher is not cleaning properly. It leaves soap scum and grease behind. So I'm gonna do a little bit troubleshooting here. I watched some YouTube videos and it's pointing towards the water inlet valve. However, that valve is gonna cost about $60 about. So I need to make sure it is the valve. So if it turns out to be something else and you replace the valve after so many parts, you may as well buy a new machine. So here's what I'm gonna do. I jam a screwdriver to the trick the door latch, and I'm gonna start a cycle. All right, now it start filling the sump, and this water amount seems to be weak, but I actually don't know what normal is, so we're gonna see. So here's what I'm planning on doing. I'm gonna let it fill up and start the cycle, and then I'm gonna pull the screwdriver out to suspend the cycle, and then I'm gonna add some water to the dishwasher. And then I'm gonna compare the spray and see if it gets any stronger after I put the extra water into it. It's gonna be a little messy. Makes this humming sound. I think this is the solenoid valve is having some trouble. All right, here it goes. Kind of weak. The top rack doesn't get much water. So I'm gonna suspend it. Now I add some water to it. Start the cycle again. So now I have compared the water spring before and after I added the water. I am pretty certain the problem is with the inlet valve. So I'm going to go ahead and order the part and replace it. So now I went ahead and ordered a new water inlet valve. It's actually cheaper than I thought. It was only $28 from Amazon. So general rule of thumb, I think if the part is going to cost more than 20-25% of the machine, I'm just going to go ahead and buy a new machine, not repair it. So this is lower than that, so I'm going to give it a try. This is where the valve is located at. There are quite a few very good YouTube videos showing how to replace it. So I'm not going to repeat it. I'll just go ahead and change it out. All right, after replacement, let's test out the cycle. Just compare the amount of water coming out of the outlet. Seems like it's a lot more, and the root cause is probably indeed the water inlet valve. And let's just see the amount of water is collected in the sump. So I think we found the reason, and the machine is fixed. Make sure indeed there is no water leak underneath the machine before you button it up.